Yes sir, boys and girls, check it out. We're out two-stroking of the day. On top of the Hall's Gap.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak.
Let's see, what's on the agenda? Update on the bike. Do we kill? No. We let live die another day.
I figured out the problem. You think that's a problem?
No, we can make problem if you keep, complaining about it. We can come back, whatever you want to do.
I'm good, Mr. Deathman. Now, you ain't
Are
come
you
back
sure?
here.
I can come back.
He's gone.